Casa One. So our next lesson is gonna be the practical life activity, folding clothes. Hi everyone. So we are going to start our next activity, folding clothes. Do you see? I have a good number of pile of clothes here. Let's start our activity first. First I am picking up the napkin, the small napkin. So place the napkin on the mat. Try to take out all the foldings and just make it straight. After you make the napkin straight, hold the two ends with your thumb and the fingers. Bring the two ends to the other end and try to take out all the foldings. Press it nicely. After you finish pressing, hold the two ends of the napkin and bring it close to the other end. After you bring it the other end, try pressing the napkin again without any foldings and make it straight. After you make the napkin straight, hold the other two ends and bring the two ends of the napkin to the other end of the napkin, and again try following the same way, taking out all the folds, make it straight. So now I finished folding the napkin and I made a shape rectangle. So let me put this napkin aside and pick the next dress. I'm taking a t-shirt. Placing the t-shirt on the mat, and this t-shirt doesn't have a sleeves, so I'm trying to hold the two sleeves from the top and bring the t-shirt to the other end of the shirt. After you bring to the other end, hold the two ends of the shirt and bring them to the other end of the shirt. And try pressing the shirt all the time to take out the folds. Now hold the two ends of the shirt and bring them to the other end of the shirt. The same way, press the shirt and make it straight without foldings. So I finished my second shirt. Let me pick my next shirt. This shirt has sleeves. Yes. So place the shirt on the mat straight. Take out all the folds and make it straight. After you make it straight, hold the top of the shirt and you hold with the other hand at the end of the shirt. Bring the end to the halfway of the shirt like this and fold the sleeves outside and make the shirt straight. The same way, bring the other end of the shirt and the sleeves on the top. Do you see how thin the shirt has become now? So hold one end of the shirt and bring it to the other end. Press it and make sure there was no foldings on top. I have finished my shirt folding. So today I did a small napkin folding, a shirt without sleeves, and a shirt having a sleeves. So try folding your own shirts, the clothes what you see at your house. Bye.